Hearty welcome to a Square Maths YouTube channel. So I think so you are eagerly waiting for the next video. Okay. Common algebraic errors, error, mistake, nothing but we are going to correct it or justification with the example. So some of the things we are going to do here for the given mistakes. So previously we discussed part 1, now part 2 this. Okay. So root of x plus y not equal to root x plus root y. So let us go through it now. So let x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 5. Let us check it now. Why they are not equal. So consider LHS. What is LHS? You have root of x plus y. Nothing but root of 3 plus 5 is root 8. Okay. Obviously you know that root 8 is 2 root 2. Is the basic knowledge of search here. Now consider RHS. Root x plus root y. So root x is root 3 here, it is root 5. So root 2 value is 1.414. So into 2 if you are going to get some value. Root 3 is 1.732 and root 5 is 2.236. If you add, you are not going to get this one. Okay. So therefore 2 root 2 is not equal to root 3 plus root 5. So here if you check with the values, you are not going to get. So hence I can say that root of x plus y is not equal to root x plus root y. So whenever you are going to get this one, please don't apply this. Remember. Next, 2019 whole power 0 is not equal to 0. But it is equal to what? Let us go through it now. So we have a power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, this is possible when a is not equal to 0. Here a is nothing but our 2019 which is not equal to 0. So therefore I can write this implies 2019 whole power 0 which is always equal to 1. So using the laws of exponents. Next, a power minus n is not equal to minus a power n. So be aware of this. So let us check it now. So consider here 3 power minus 2. So I can write here 1 by 3 square. So this I have been written since a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. So this is nothing but my LHS. So what is our RHS? Minus a power n. So nothing but minus a is here 3 and here it is a is 3 and n is 2. So minus 3 square is nothing but 9, minus 9. So if you observe carefully, here this is our LHS part. Okay. So I got this one and RHS part, I got this one. So therefore a power minus n is not equal to minus a power n. So but a power minus n is always equal to here. A power minus n is always equal to here 1 by a power n. Applying this I got. Okay. So 1 by 3 square nothing but 1 by 9. Next I am going to consider now 0 by 2020. So again here various mistakes many of the students are going to consider. What is the value of 0 by 2020? Many of the students again they are going to write 2020. Okay. So let us go through the reason. What happens if we divide 0 with 2020? Okay. If we divide 0 by a non-zero number, so 0 we are dividing with a non-zero number. 2020 is a non-zero number. So we are going to get 0. So therefore I can write now this, I can correct it. Therefore 0 by 2020 is equal to nothing but 0. So in this way 11, 12, 13, 14th. So now this is our 11th part corrected in this way. So by using the loss of exponent here, a power 0 is equal to 1, I have corrected. 2019 whole power 0 is equal to 1, and by applying the formula a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n, I gone through this one. So it is corrected in this way. Okay, LHS is 1 by 3 square, nothing but here you can write 1 by 9, which is not equal to minus 9. Next 0 by 2020, always it is 0, because if we divide a 0 by a non-zero number we will get always 0. So this is a corrected one. So in this way these 4 are been corrected, given examples with the formulas. You can have a look. Now let us go through these parts. A by B divided by C by D. So which is not equal to A by B into C by D. Again this is a mistake committed by the students most regularly. So what is the correct one? Let us go through it now. So A by B by, since it is divide symbol, I am going to write C by D. So here, if the numerator and denominator both are fractions, the type of fractions are called complex fractions. So it is evaluated like this: A by B into this denominator C by D takes a reciprocal here, so D by C. Still, if you need, you can go through the examples, take the numerical values of A, B, C, D, correct it. So this will be not equal, but this will be equal. Okay. So this is a corrected form and this is a wrong form. So please be aware. Next, A by B by C is not equal to AB by C. So these two are closely related. They are linked up. So while doing the problems, please be aware. Don't get confused. So let us check this one now. So how they are corrected. Now here I can write now A by B by C. Now I can write here A by 1 by B by C. Okay. So applying this formula, now I can write here A by 1 into C by B. Finally I can write here AC by B. A into C is AC by B. Here I have written AB by B, C. So obviously A by B by C is not equal to AB by C. So please be aware, if you remember this formula, okay, you can do this one and you can do many problems in mathematics applying these two formulas. So please be aware with these 15th and 16th also commonly committed mistakes they are. Next, xy whole power m is not equal to x into y power m. If you observe carefully, 17th and 18th are closely related. Please go through it now. So x into y whole power m. Here the operation between x and y is product. You have whole power m. So what is the correct way now? X power x into y whole power m. Since you have bracket, I can write x power m into y power m. Since I have the loss of exponent, a into b whole power m is nothing but a power m into b power m. Okay. Next, x by y whole power m is not equal to x power m by y. So these two are closely related. So now I am going to correct it. X by y whole power m is nothing but x power m by y power m. So y here it is a by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. So please viewers, for xy and m we have the conditions. So we are discussing in the general forms. Okay. Here m is distributed in the for the variables for x and y. That's why x power m into y power m. So here also x by y whole power m is x power m by y. It is not equal. X by y whole power m is equal to x power m by y power m. So here you have the exponent for the total fraction. That's why it will be distributed both for numerator and denominator. Here also it will be distributed both for the first product and the second product. So be aware. So many of the students will do in this way. Okay. So since here for the two properties of exponents, you have the bracket here, the parenthesis, which plays important role. If it is without bracket, you can consider in this way. So please be aware of this one also again. So this is a correct way and this is another way. So you can go through the numerical values also. So each and every problem cannot be discussed numerically here, but you can check this one and this one for your clarification. Okay. So wherever it is possible, I have been corrected with a formula or with a example. Some of the properties what I have written wrong here, that have been justified with the explanation. So in this way the statements have been corrected which are wrong. So you can have the look. So after we are watching the videos, I hope that you got the better knowledge. Common algebraic errors. Algebra plays important role. So in that we miss the mistakes which the students will be done in the various examinations or while doing their homeworks, etc. They'll go through the various mistakes. So by watching this video you can overcome. So there are many errors, but to some extent in this video I have been explained various errors and their justification with example or definition and have been corrected. So hope you enjoyed the videos what have been done. So with your great cooperation I am moving. So hope so in the coming days also it will be continued. So not only watching, after watching the video, please watch the video in your convenient time. Okay, please share, and those who did not subscribe my channel, subscribe it, and those who are new to my channel also, please subscribe it so that I'll get the motivation and supporting from your side. And finally you can comment also. So signing out.